Here we are in the middle of Corn, Oklahoma. Gary's going there to visit with the family, but this is Gary's project truck. We have a Ford on the channel. I'll let him do some talking on it, but it's going to be a fun little build for sure. Door is dented in pretty bad there, but the father-in-law has a spare door and a spare tailgate. But I mean, the body and everything is pretty immaculate. When Gary comes back out, we'll have him talk about it. But the truck has got a lot of history for sure. A lot of memories. Me, Casey, and Gary are headed home, and we found this found on road dead back here. You want to talk about it, Gary? It's a found in road.
No, it's okay.
We're gonna go ahead and take it to the scrapyard real quick and see if we can make our money back. Okay, we got the it's the next day. We got the Ford F100 home, and then we partied home. So now we're here. Gary's back. We're gonna try to turn it over. The oil's good in the engine. Carburetor look good. Battery's probably gonna be our issue. We're gonna see if we can get it to turn over without anything, and then if it turns over freely, we will spray. Ow, my head. We'll spray some carb cleaner up in there, see what she makes, see what kind of noise she makes. Shouldn't be too bad though. Honestly, everything looks pretty good in here for it being in a barn for 4 years. Oil looked pretty good. I don't see any chewed up wires. That would be our next bet. You ready? You have the key?
Yeah, I'm going here.
Go in there and turn the key real quick while I fix this camera.
You said square, right?
Square, watch your stuff. We just want to see if she turns over. Oh, there it is. I was looking for that.
Ready?
Well, first, turn the key and just see if the lights turn on. Okay, you just go ahead and turn the key.
All the way?
Yep. Ooh.
What does that mean?
Battery's dead, but it's trying to turn over. We're gonna go get the S10 battery out real quick and put it in here, so farewell for now. Okay, we put the S10 battery out of the little red truck in here. Pulled spark plug number 1 out and put a screwdriver to it. Put it on the manifold. I turned the car over. Gary saw spark. We're gonna spray some old cob clean up in here. We're gonna start it up. You ready? I'm ready. Hold up. I'm not ready yet. Okay, give her a start. Pump the gas a little. It may be cold, but it started up, so we should have gas. The fuel gauge is showing gas. That gauge might not work. I don't think any of those gauges are working. There's probably a fuse, but it started up. You want to go get Riley real quick and have her hear it? Oh, it's sucking up gas. So Gary's father-in-law, Riley's dad, they put a nice carburetor on here, and you can see the fuel float valve and the double pumper, and it is filling up gas. It's dripping gas too. I figure out what that. I don't know if it's gas or if that's that may be that carb cleaner I just sprayed. Let's find out. Okay, no, that's gas. So I need to find out where that leak is real quick, and we're gonna start this truck up again. It's gonna be an easy build, I think.
Is that what you mean, Riley's? Yeah. Look at the
Riley's
license
truck.
plate to say Riley's on the back. Riley's. Are we ready? Riley's Ranger. Yeah.
It is quiet.
Woo!
For real. Hard work and determination, and you can do anything.
So, we're looking at it. Gary, if you hold this up for me real quick. Hey, Nick. Over here, Riley. You got these fuel floats on the carburetor. So it's showing it's got gas, but I think that right there needs to be rebuilt. It's an electric choke. Once it warms up, all this thing does is it's electronically controlled. The wire is probably bad somewhere, but it will pull this up and it causes more fuel to go in to warm up the engine. I can see I can't push it down now. So it just needs to be replaced. Or actually there's a wire right here that goes into the cab. I bet you there's a choke button.
Wow, y'all got your hands full here.
Not really.
No?
No, it's actually surprisingly. Carburetors are easy. They're just gas on. Let's see here.
Where's Otis?
Back there.
I bet you it's this right here. Hold on. Ouch. You got fuel pumps. You got commercial gas. Let's see, cargo. I think I'm crippled. I think that this is a choke. I think. Choke or not. It's not working. It is. Try to let off. Let it warm up real quick. And I should be able to just keep my foot off of it until we fix that issue. With it being an electric choke, we could make sure that it goes to this or put a button. This is probably the old style where you pull this back and it's a lever to open the choke up. We can put a button there for the electric choke. It's supposed to cut on and off at a certain time. Are your lights on up front? Blinker. Other side. We're right to see if it goes forward, Gary. Let off now.
Let's see if the brake light.
Ready?
Yeah.
Really? You guys have a new truck.
That's crazy.
It sounds like it's about to die. I think I need to up the idle a little bit, which I can do that real quick. Get it running again. It sounds healthy.
That's how you do the light.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
So are these the kind of lights y'all want to put on it, or
Yeah, they'll
you
be
wanna
like
change these?
this, but they'll have like the halos. So your running lights will be those cool circles.
Oh, I
Then you
see.
can make your blinkers link up to them and everything. It'll modernize the car. But let me do a little carburetor work. Oh, I'm sorry, Otis. I didn't mean to step on you.
He's in the way. He's always-
I did not mean that, Bubba. So right over here. Well, where's your idle screw? There it is. There's a screw right here. Since the choke, I'm just going to tighten this in a bit, and all it's going to do is push the spring back just a little bit. So now, Riley, if you'll go in there and start your truck up for the first time in however long you've driven this thing, what you got to do, since it's carbureted and I don't have a fuel pump on it yet, you have to, on the gas pedal, pump it twice. Just
Otis,
no,
what
just
are
pump
you
it twice
eating?
right now.
What is he eating?
What that does is squirt gas into the carburetor. Now you should be able to just turn it on. You may have to feather the gas a little bit, but you should be able to, once it runs, just let off everything. No. Forward range. Right side, yeah. Once you start hearing it get going, kill the starter, but give it gas. Just kind of tap it up a bit. Once it starts turning, you hear it, you rumble, let off the starter, and then just kind of pump the gas a little bit. Or get your foot just a little bit to where it's running on its own. Ah, you should. You're gonna pump your foot.
That is a. It's like something for the battery, like probably a sensor. Yeah. You look so majestic with the wind hitting your hair.
It's trying.
Oh? Oh?
That's just oil and stuff that's been sitting for years. Y'all want to see if I can make it go forward and backward?
It might be a guy.
That's okay. Do you want to hold it, or let's get this Toyota out of the way because we don't need this.
B-roll behind the scenes. Odie. I'm vlogging. Yeah. This is behind the scenes of fixing up the truck.
Yeah, just back up real quick and I'll just gonna see if it goes straight and reverse.
Is this what you film everything on? All your videos on this?
I want to do one.
You never use your phone?
Sometimes if it's dead, but it's just, I don't have a phone holder and it's really hard to hold it.
Oh, is this a tripod?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.
That's how I get the really good
Yeah,
views.
we will really be nice. Right next to her.
It needs a NASCAR exhaust really bad.
Oh, I bet. Oh, I wish you could zoom in on this.
Boy, I got that cowboy on me.
Cowboy.
Cowboy.
Yeah. That's badass.
Oh my god.
Odie.
Where are we going?
Don't. Ah! Oh my gosh. It's gonna get run over. Otis. Dude. Be smart.
When I got home the other day, Otis ran over to my window
Oh,
in the
no.
gate.
Did he
I was
jump
like,
on your
"Oh,
car?
Otis is here." So I rolled my window. Yeah, he jumped on my
Yeah. He likes to.
window. Okay, let's see it.
Working on it.
Did you put it in gear?
Attempted to.
Is
Oh.
the tranny out?
It probably needs fluid.
Yeah. Well. Shit.
He's snapped.
Let's check the transmission fluid real quick.
Why is it smoking so much?
Just oil and everything burning off, dust.
What?
This little mini turbo looking thing.
This? Oh, wow. I wonder if it works. There's not a horn thing.
We need to get transmission fluid now.
How do you honk the horn? I need to know how to honk the horn.
Should be
I
this
tried to
gray
push
right
that.
here. Oh, they don't have it hooked up then. That's
Oh.
like mine.
Oh.
Meh, meh. There you go, that works. They having no fluid? Yeah. So we'll go get some fluid.
Odie. Okay, here you go.
What,
We've
you're not
done our
you guys?
part.
You guys want to hang out?
Well,
We're gonna go get some transmission fluid and some gas. And we're gonna see if it pulls forward or if the transmission's junk. If the transmission's junk, we'll have to rebuild it. That's okay.
that won't work.
I appreciate your effort.
Yeah. You know, I'm in my content creator era.
My vlog era. All the transmission dipstick was dry. So we just put some fluid in there real quick, and we're gonna see if it moves under its own power. It sounds healthy, dude. It's too quiet though. All right, foot's on the brake. Put her in drive and see if it clicks it. Oh. Let off the brake. Give her some gas. Oh my gosh, it runs. Holy cow. Just go down the road. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. We're gonna go see what she does real quick. Gary. Gary, put it in reverse and go down there. I want to see if reverse works. Daggum. That sucker's gonna be such a fun build. Come here, Otis. Come over here, Bubba. Otis, come on. Romp on it. Yeah, she's driving. Oh my gosh, this is sick. I can't wait.